I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but you're gonna review it.
Sakes.
What is that?
Is that catfish?
No, you gotta take a bite of it.
Did you bite that in?
Kelly did.
Just take a nice. Just bite it.
Don't be a sissy.
Come on.
Okay, here it is. Ryan Flores, Track Snacks. It looks like it's made with love.
It is made with love.
All right, guys, we're right here in the fan zone at the NASCAR Coliseum, Bristol Motor Speedway for episode 2 of Track Snacks. So let's go find some food and rate it. Let's do it. The Wizard of Dogs is calling my name.
You like those shady ladies?
What's that? What are the blankets? 2? Yeah. What's gonna sit well for 500 laps? Chili dog? Yeah. Well, what's your specialty? Would you go with the Frito dog or the chili dog?
I would go personally with the chili dog.
All right.
Chili dog?
Let's go with the chili dog. The benchmark is the grease missile. We're gonna see how Bristol delivers.
Can I get a picture?
Sure.
My friend's a huge fan of you.
Is he?
Yeah.
What about you?
Why? Let me see. I'll get it.
I'm a cowboy.
Why? Let me get it.
Thanks, man.
If you had said me, I'd have bought you a hot dog, but I'm not gonna call it a girthy dog. But I'm also not gonna. Brian set the standard of a hot dog at 9.2 for Freedom Factory. I don't know if any hot dog in history can reach a touch of 9. I'm an 8 1/4 guy at best.
Here you go, sir.
I'll get a shot of this unit.
Thank you very much. Were you a Sharpie?
Yeah. Did I get a discount for the dog if I sign the?
Seems like a fair trade, really. Yeah. Can I get 2 dogs? And you have Diet Mountain Dew?
Thanks, man.
Well, I'm giving a rating to the dog. So you got any? What do you think?
So jumbo all beef hot dog. You want me to tell you where it came from?
No, don't care.
No, well.
Toasted bun.
Toasted bun, which to me makes a difference.
Absolutely.
All my hot dogs are always toasted.
Okay.
I use a jumbo all beef hot dog that I get from Sam's, and the bun comes from Costco.
Okay.
But
So,
made with love.
are you the wizard?
I'm more Johnny, I guess you could say. You can't see behind the curtain. To know you're the wizard.
That's right. Hey, this
Thanks,
man's
man.
the wizard.
Appreciate you.
No, thank you. Nice guy. The overhang, got to rip that off. But it is a toasted bun, and I'm glad I know the lifespan of where this dog came from. Let's see. The benchmark's a grease missile. Okay.
Is it good? Is it worth it? Is it good?
Still determining that.
What's your 10?
I'm getting there. I gotta let my taste buds talk to my mind first, and then my mind talks to my tongue. The chili's good. I love the toasted bun. It's better than the Freedom Dog, but I didn't rate the Freedom Dog. I'm gonna go 8.6. 8.6 on the chili dog. I'll be tasting that again about lap 125. Okay. You want the rest? All right. We're gonna see what else is out here. All right, 2 things you absolutely need when you go to any racetrack in the country. The benchmark's a grease missile, but you have to get a cinnamon sugar pretzel and a fresh squeezed lemonade. And we'll also have to see if the sugar content in the lemonade is less than 30 grams. I don't want to touch it. I'll just do a classic lemonade, please. How we doing? Big track house guys, huh?
Yeah, I'm trying to be.
Get a shot of that. Oh man, get a shot of the scoop of sugar straight in there. He already put one in there. She's making mine up. Get her over there. This might be the most impressive lemonade setup I've ever seen.
Right on. Tell everybody.
Oh,
Seriously.
I'm telling all 14 of my YouTube subscribers.
Cherry lemonade, right?
No,
Here.
just straight
classic.
lemon and water.
Yep.
Damn.
Got it.
Bucket of sugar.
Do you have cash or
A lot
card?
of sugar. Is that what you said?
I got card.
Oh, dear.
Appreciate it. Yeah, don't hammer me with sugar. I'm like half.
Half of that?
Yeah,
Is that good?
that melts great.
All right.
Lemon Lips Lemonade. Is that you guys? Nice. This is quite the deal. Oh my goodness, my expectations are through the roof with this.
Well, I hope you enjoy it.
What's your name?
Lynn.
Lynn?
Lynn.
I could tell this was made with love. Hey, thanks. This lemonade's just what I need to drive this unit to the front.
Tastes like it made with love.
Start. It's very good. I'm glad she didn't hammer me with a gallon of sugar. This is acidic and refreshing. This is excellent racetrack lemonade. I thought we walked past a pretzel spot. Let's go find us a cinnamon sugar pretzel. Oh, we haven't given a score yet. It's tremendous. This is 9.7 lemon. It's incredible. Here it is. Ask and you shall receive from the racing gods. They delivered me a Wetzel's Pretzels truck. Nobody's in there. How's it going?
Good, are you?
Do you have a cinnamon sugar pretzel?
Yeah, we do the bites, like the little bite-sized pretzels, but they do have cinnamon and sugar on them.
I'll take that.
All right. Any dipping sauce with it? We have homemade sweet chili.
Why not? $15.92. All right, we're out here in the wilderness. Fans everywhere. We're getting a feel of the crowd. Got a benchmark grease missile to start off in the Wizard of Dogs. Got a lemonade, grabbing a cinnamon sugar pretzel. But what I'm really wanting, I'm waiting for there's a trailer on the other side of the road that says farm raised alligator on a stick. So I'm waiting for that to open. I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna bring it to Ryan and not tell him what it is. I'm gonna tell him it's a chicken finger. We're gonna see what it is. All right, we got the cinnamon sugar pretzel. Hey, thank you so much. Hey, thank you. Get a load of that. Just a bag of. These are tremendous. These are tremendous. I thought I was going to have to dock at a point for not being a full pretzel, but not the case. Not the case. Wow. We go 2 for 2. Yes, we do. 9-2 on the cinnamon sugar pretzel. I just love being out here. I've never really done this before. I'm in like the bus, like, you know, getting my zen. Having cinnamon sugar pretzels and lemonade right now. 2 hours before the race starts. Make sure you get a shot of me falling out of the seat today. Pulling me out of the car like I'm Cole Trickle because I had half a hot dog and cinnamon bites for lunch. I gotta snag your seat, sir. I gotta snag your seat. You want some pretzels though? You sure? You want pretzels? They're damn good. They're going in the trash. If not. Oh, Gator stands open, boys. Get out of the way. We got places to be.
We do the gator on a stick.
Gator.
Gators up. Drop a gator, man, Sam. You ever had it?
She hasn't.
Neither have I.
It's good.
You look like a guy that's eating some gator. Is it good? What's it taste like?
Soft.
Mmm. It's like a corn dog. I don't know what to expect.
How they do it. But I had it at the state fair in Minneapolis. Thank you very much.
2 gators.
2 gators. Anything else for you?
Oh, that's it. Look at that thing. Hey, you told me yesterday you were gonna open at 10. You let me down.
Well,
But I'm
I
glad.
thought we were, but
Better late than never.
I thought we were trying to get open a little bit early.
Hey, keep up the good work.
That's right.
Hey, thank you. This is what we came all the way to Bristol for, ladies and gentlemen. What is this? Hey, what's the condiment of choice for gator? What do you go with?
I'm a plain Jane kind of guy,
Plain Jane, huh?
but a lot of people like that one you just had in your hand.
This one?
Right there, that's mustard-based barbecue sauce.
All right.
Got hot sauce.
Yeah. It looks like it's made with love.
It is made for love.
Where do you get the gators at?
It comes out of Atlanta from wholesaler.
Okay. Here it is. Gator on a stick down the hatch. Pretty good, actually. The consistency's nice. It's actually delicious, dude. It's very good. Got a little bit of tang to it on the back end. Like kind of like a chicken thigh consistency. It's delicious. Wow. What a treat this is. 9-2 on the gator. Now I gotta go tell Ryan. I gotta make Ryan eat it. Cause he eats like frozen chicken nuggets and or out of French fries every meal of his life. This is great. Lemonade, gator on a stick. Kidding me? Just rip it.
We'll have to taste that.
Lap 1. Lap 1, this is coming up. Gator on a stick. Huh? That's right. Do we think we can make it?
I want to go. I don't want to play on that.
Here, take a bite. It's good.
I want to play on that.
How is it? Jensen, take a bite. Bite.
Dad, I just want to play on that.
How is it?
Dad, I just want to play on that.
Is it good? Levi,
Yeah.
here, take a bite.
Chicken of the swamp.
Yeah, I want to play on that.
Hey, Levi, 1 to 10. If 10 was the best, what number is it? It's a 10? Do you know what this is? What is it, you think?
10.
No, what do you think this is? It's alligator. You ate an alligator.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. That's an alligator.
No, not.
Yes, it is.
Did you eat it?
I ate it. It's yummy. Look. Ah,
Are you eating it?
I'm crazy. Let's go. Yeah, you gotta try it.
The gator?
Yeah.
People lemonade are eating though.
It's a little tart for me. 7.7. Is that low?
I don't know. He's been throwing 9s out all day.
Yeah,
Oh,
no, I've been
why?
very.
Wait, is Ryan gonna have to take a bite of that after me?
We'll take a bite from the bottom.
Oh,
It's not gonna
I don't
bite you,
know
it's
if I
dead.
can do it. Did the kids try
Yeah,
it?
they ate it. They liked it.
No, they didn't.
Yes.
Okay.
Levi, what'd you eat on the stick earlier?
Did you eat gator? You did? Look at it. Did you like it? What is in your mouth? It looks like you have throw up.
Can I see?
Okay.
I don't.
Do you eat it from the side or the top?
I
What
ate it
is-
on the top.
Leah, did you try those? Okay.
Isn't that an enjoyable racetrack treat?
Kind of tastes like chicken,
Yeah.
I guess.
And isn't it better than what you anticipated?
Daddy.
All
Yes.
white meat.
Yeah. I was a little scared. Okay.
Oh,
Yesterday,
a couple influencers in the wild.
You know, just,
yeah, you'll like
just
this.
chatting.
You didn't answer your phone yesterday. So Harper,
No, I wasn't. Didn't want to talk. It's
Too good.
Remember,
Yeah.
he's a YouTube star now. He won't answer his phone.
Big time.
Hi, Leanne. So yeah, yesterday Harper, remember she was struggling with baseball, and I working with her. 4 for 4 in the game ball, baby.
Let's go.
Let's
Good
go.
job, Dad.
Winning run, drove
That's
home.
a
I was like,
dad
what?
right there.
But I was like,
for
man,
you.
this is so much more fun than.
Give me the goods.
What do you got there?
Food review.
Churro?
Ooh, you can be in our food review. Paul.
What do we got? Is this like a? It's like a
I
Ford
had,
review
to, I,
here?
I had to cross the road for this.
Uh-oh.
I'm not gonna tell you what it is,
Okay.
but you're gonna review it.
Sakes.
What is that?
Is that catfish?
No, you gotta take a bite of it.
Did you bite that in?
Kelly did.
Just take a nice. Just bite it.
Don't be a sissy.
Come on.
Okay, here it is. Ryan Flores, Track Snacks, Bristol Motor Speedway.
Track snacks.
All right, Paul Swan, Track Snacks.
Tastes like chicken. What is this, alligator?
Yeah,
Is it gator?
yeah, it's gator.
No way.
God, that's delicious.
It is delicious.
That's
the rest.
fucking good.
You gotta rate it 1 through 10.
Yeah,
I mean,
like in terms of
I've
track
never had-
snacks.
I've
Yes,
never
it's
had- I've
phenomenal.
never had-
I love gator. Boy.
I never had a gator before, but I'm going 9.5 because that's pretty good.
Yeah,
You've never had a gator before?
You eating gator before?
I've loved gator. Anytime I see gator anything on a menu, it's a bullseye.
yeah, you look
Really?
like a guy that eats a gator.
Yeah, you know. I'm gonna have to
That's
go.
why, that's why he's got some.
I'm gonna go 9-1.
Puts hair in his chest.
Very, very good, especially for a track snack.
It is.
Just need a little like a Cajun aioli or
They had it out there, mustard-based barbecue sauce.
a remoulade or something. I could dip this in, and we're game over. But that's really good.
I'm a far away from our last track snack we did because I ate a hot dog. So I went from hot dog to alligator, so everything in between should be good.
This is exotic.
No, we were out there. We did lemonade,
You did all of
cinnamon
it?
sugar pretzels.
Anybody want a gator bite?
There it is.
Try
Love
The
it.
gator's a
Pretty
hit.
good.
Love it. I'm into it.
That's delicious.
It is. It's got a little.
Great.
Yeah, it is.